Hello everyone, welcome back to Shib. Today, we will talk about the huge CEO of Binance who just purchased $4 million worth of Shiba Inu. Shib news. The Shiba Inu team's original plan to present a new hub called Rio Plaza did not go as planned, but it did offer users the WMI Temple hub in a unique way, and the response was spectacular. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, now let's start the video. The Shib crew provided the My Temple hub using Unreal Engine 5.1 displays to make up for the absence of Rio Plaza. Pictures of WMI Temple were posted with a hub that was previously unveiled this year in concept art. We appreciate you coming to celebrate the holiday. Happy Christmas! Fireside with us, the comments we've been receiving is just amazing. Although we were unable to showcase Rio Plaza, we still wanted to visit WMI Temple and give everyone a first glimpse at the hub within the world. The community's attendance at the Christmas edition is appreciated by the Shib staff. Online fireside conversation Epic Games created the Unreal Engine, a 3D computer graphics gaming engine. Unreal Engine 5.1 has made virtual landscapes in video games even more vivid and colorful. Earlier this week, the Shib Metaverse Twitter account announced a giveaway in honor of the event, during which one lucky winner would receive a digital plot of land for the Metaverse Silver Fir. With 2024 virtual land plots, Silver Fir is one of the 4 land plots that comprise the Metaverse 4 tiers. Diamond Teeth is the name of the first tier category. Tiers 2 and 3, with a combined total of 1730 land plots, are made up of Platinum Paw and Gold Tail, with 5,714 and 7,356 land plots, respectively. The top meme coin has recently reached a new user milestone as the army of Shibainu owners expands. Silver Fir is the tier with the most acreage. Information from Willot's wallet tracking service indicates that during the past 2 days, the number of token holders has significantly increased. Over the past 2 days, there has been a sharp increase in the number of Shibu users, by over 2,000. According to a tweet released by Wall Data, despite the crypto winter that started in February of this year, a staggering 250,000 new Shib members joined. This number was 1,256 and 65 on December 6, with 800 more users joining in a 24-hour period. Over the course of the last day, the biggest whales on the Ethereum network added slightly more than $2 million worth of Shiba Inus to their wallet. A recent Wall Stats tweet: the largest 500 whales on Ethereum presently have 74.53 worth of Shiba Inu coins, according to Wallet Tracker. This is 2 million more than they did on Friday. According to Wall Statistics, this amount is the equivalent of 216 billion Shiba Inu over the course of the last day at the current Shib exchange rate. Whales' average Shib balance has increased by 1.43%. 73,867,153 Shibs are held by the top 500 whales. 48 M320454 of unknown token in Uni 37,978, 346 36 M674 990 at position 36 27023 $723 in 1 bit $35 44 52 in the greatest 33 M54. 122 in Mach 27,485 181 in the ranking for link whales. Meanwhile, a graphic on the Wall Stats website indicates that the volume of Shib transactions increased on Thursday and Friday, reaching a peak of 26,567,659 Shib still on December 9. In the last 24 hours, the share burn rate decreased by 60% as whales continued to acquire Shibs while the community has been hesitant to continue its normal burns. In fact, on Friday, whales transferred an astounding number of over 5 trillion Shibs. The warning about whales' 2 transactions totaling around 2.8 trillion Shiba Inu coins each were reported by Crypto Tracker. This quantity of meme currencies is equivalent to almost $552 million in fiat money. However, such significant token movements are not common. Exchanges for cryptocurrencies may choose to reorganize their stock Whale Alert identified the wallets that carried out those transactions as unknown, therefore there's a chance that whales will redistribute the SHIB in this case. After Binance declared it would sell its holdings in the token, the price of the FTX token fell by 3% in the last day. Binance's decision was prompted by a leaked report that claimed the exchange utility token held nearly 40% of the assets of Alam Research, a trading company closely associated with FTX. The news contributed significantly to the 12% decline in FTX over the previous week and the 73% decline in the coin from its peak of $84.15, which was reached in September of last year, as concerns about the liquidity of FTX's assets grew. FTT may see additional losses in the coming days and weeks. This seemed to somewhat stabilize the price of the FX, but Binance's announcement that it is dumping its token holdings has made matters worse. Things don't look good for FTX in the near future, as it has lost 12% of its value in the last week and 63% in the last year, with its momentum currently pointing downward. Let's return to Shiba Inu. Binance holds more than $500 million in FTX, though the total figure is likely to be higher. What's damaging about Binance's move isn't simply that it will put strong selling pressure on FTX, but that it implies that Binance has serious doubts concerning FTX's and Alam's financial viability. In a subsequent tweet, Binance CZ appeared to compare FTX and FTX to Terra, which collapsed spectacularly in May of this year. The price of Dogecoin has been surpassing that of Shiba. If market conditions continue, the SHIB's price and circumstances could change, potentially resulting in a gain. Control the market and rise as Doge moves towards smaller objectives. In the fall, Dogecoin's price pulled off an incredible upward rally, giving investors back 180% of their lost market value. On the other hand, the price of Chiu stays unchanged. With the use of comparing technical analysis tools, it is evident that Doge has been the superior asset to hold as of December 7, after the auction in November ended with a 25% fall for SHIB investors. It might be time for the two infamous meme coins to switch places. Using TradingView.com, the Shibu price might end up being the outperformer in the upcoming weeks. By applying a straightforward division equation between the two assets, investors can ascertain which will perform better. In this case, Dogecoin's price divided by Shinu's price indicates that Dogecoin has outperformed SHIB by 172% since August 22. Additionally, investors can verify the effectiveness of the equation by examining each asset separately, since Doge has increased by 163% while SHIB has only seen a 50% uptrend spike during the same time period. Using Elliott wave theory, a distinct 5-wave impulse is displayed on the DO/SHIB chart. The technicals also bounced from the 38.2% FIB level on November 10 and printed a double top formation on November 31. If the DO/SHIB chart has indeed topped, a decline into the lower targets could result inversely as a Sherbao rally, or in other words, a plummet into the golden pocket. The Fibonacci retracement level is extracted from measuring the swing low in August to the recent swing high in November. The rally shown resulted from Doge's last-minute 52% recovery rally between November 14 and November 31. The Shibwa price lost 177% of its market value during that same period. Shiba Inu's price would rise by 40% if it reached the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level. It's important to note that, because of both assets' correlation with Bitcoin, the primary scenario is the more likely one. The Doge price could also decline by 80% while SH stayed completely unchanged. Given the divergence between Wave 3 and Wave 5 on the daily chart, the relative strength index is in favor of the theory that Shibu will shortly outperform the price of Dogecoin. That concludes our coverage for today. Remember to give us a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe to the channel to view our most recent work. The divergence signal might be the catalyst for the downturn that causes the rotational price movement that investors are seeking.